Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have for you my September Ipsy unboxing. This time I went ahead and went with the $12 smallest bag option. Again, I'll leave the link down below so you can check out what options they have. It's a makeup subscription bag. Y'all know I like, well, makeup and beauty products, hair, skin, etc. Here we go. I have not opened it this time. Yay. The bag this month is interesting. It's like this really nice, I love this like texture, but it's dual sided. It kind of is giving me Gryffindor vibes, to be honest, or ASU vibes. If you're from Arizona, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so not the hugest fan of the bag, but it's nice quality. It's just like a little weird. I would have preferred if it was all this like maroon color, but we've got lots of goodies in here, guys, so I'm excited. First thing, this was not in the bag, it was just in the mailer. This is an illuminator brush from Bogakis. Don't know. I'm excited because I believe this is just for applying highlighter, which I've never like actually used a highlighting brush to apply highlighter, so I'm excited about that. We've got this good vibes card. This month, radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace this season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. So it's a little spoiler card, and Garrett's about to come in and ruin the video.
Hi, Kelsey's viewers.
Okay, sorry about that. It's interesting though because the larger box that I got did not have a spoiler card. It did, but it didn't have spoilers. This one actually has spoilers, so there's that. What is this? This is the Professional Hydrating Primer to minimize the look of pores. This is from Benefit, I believe, yes. So we've got this teeny tiny little Professional primer. I'm excited to try this one. It says it's oil-free, silky, lightweight, and 12-hour hydration. So not a bad gig. I've seen their regular primer before. I don't think I've used it, but I've never seen the hydrate before, so that's cool. This is IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in Prosecco. I love highlighters like so much, so I'm excited about this. This kind of seems full size, or at least like deluxe sample size. I kind of miss getting full size products, but I know that this is more realistic for, you know, because nobody needs like so many full size products every single month. Oh, how cute! So that is, sorry about the lighting in here, y'all. That is the highlighter. Let me do a little swatcheroonie for you. So it's a little chalky, but only like on the very ends. That's actually, that'd be super pretty for like a eyeshadow also. It might be a little aggressive for my pasty skin because it's kind of pigmented. But we'll see. I like that. That's nice. So, and then this is the little compact that it comes in. So there's that. We also have this. It's bubble wrapped. We're gonna need our weapon again. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, this is, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not even going to try, like, don't know. But it's an eyeshadow from the Enchanted Eyeshadow Collection in Smoked Topaz. So there's that. I really like this package, but let's be honest, I'm gonna end up depotting this. Oh, that is smooth. That is so silky smooth and very pigmented. I like that. Very nice. And what is this? Ooh, something big. It is a Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. 100% vegan and cruelty-free if that's important to you. This is the item that I selected, actually. So I got it because it said Desert Sunset, and you guys know I'm in Arizona and I freaking love anything cactus and desert and pine cones. But the pine cones that has nothing to do with the desert. I just like them. Okay, ooh. So it has a mirror on the bottom. Hi, that's my filming setup. But yeah, I'm gonna be so upset if I just broke that. I throw things way too much. The other day, I was just standing still and I twisted my ankle and almost fell over. It was ridiculous. Anyways, so we have our little bronzer and our blush. Do they have names? The shades are Sunset Matte and Desert Matte. So the blush is Sunset Matte and the bronzer is Desert Matte. So there, get a cute little look first, and then I'll do some swatcheroonies. I don't think I've ever used that word in my life, but here we are. So that bronzer is pretty blendable, which is good because, again, very pasty, but I like this. It's nice, like corally, sunset-y shade. And the bronzer is pretty blendable there. So nice. Altogether, I am pretty excited about this bag. So this one was only $12 as opposed to the $50 one that I have been getting. So if I seem a little like underwhelmed, it's not the bag, it's just that I'm used to the bigger one. So I'm just, anyways, I very much enjoy this though. But this has got to be a full-size product. Like, there's no way that it's not. So yeah, we've got a brush, the blush and bronzer duo, some primer, highlighter, and an eyeshadow. So very excited. I'm actually surprised because I have been getting a lot of like hair care and skincare stuff lately, but not any of that in this box. So there's that. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. And until next time, stay batty.